Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable the silent notification for completed downloads in Google Chrome on your Android device. This is perfect if you want Chrome to notify you when a download finishes, but without the loud sound or vibration that usually comes with it. Let's go through the step-by-step process together. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all the system-level adjustments are managed. Once inside, scroll down until you find Apps, then give it a tap. This section lists every app installed on your device, including Chrome. Next, locate and tap on Chrome. This will open the app-specific settings, where you can control permissions, notifications, and other options. From here, you'll want to select Notifications, which is where Android organizes all the different types of alerts an app can send. Now, you'll see a list of notification settings for Chrome. Go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. This divides Chrome's alerts into sections, like active downloads, site notifications, and, most importantly for us, completed downloads. Find the option labeled Completed Downloads and tap on it. This is the category responsible for letting you know when a file has finished downloading on your device. By default, it might be set to make a sound or show a pop-up. Once inside, simply choose Silent. This ensures Chrome will still notify you when a download finishes, but it won't play any sound or vibration. Instead, the notification will quietly appear in your notification panel, allowing you to see it whenever you check your phone without any interruption. And that's it. You've now set Chrome's completed download notifications to silent on your Android device. It's a small change, but it can make your phone feel less distracting while still keeping you updated on your downloads. Thanks for watching.